Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Okay, so we have posted lot of series of videos, but we one of the very basic learning is about manual testing. Even though world is moved into lot of advanced things like cloud, AI testing, artificial intelligence, data science, so a lot of testings comes in the existing world, DevOps, software automation, right? Very advanced things, right? Security, accessibility. Lot of people they go after lot of things, but right, as a fresher or a very commoner, right? Manual testing, learning manual testing is very important. So, right, ours is JS Testing Academy is resided in Chennai. Slowly we are expanding. Thanks for supporting us in watching this video. Hope this video and this series of manual testing series and other series of right which you are posting, right, it's very useful to you. Okay, let's kick start. First one is what is software testing. Okay, first let us understand software. A software is nothing but a set of instructions, okay, or a set of programs, that is called as software. Practically what is software? Facebook is a software, right? Gmail is software, YouTube is a software. All these things are called as, right, as softwares. Okay, so all these things are called as softwares. Okay, let me open the Facebook login. Okay, so I'll open this one. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so if I open this Facebook, right, so this is software. Okay, so Facebook is a software. Checking whether the Facebook application, right, is working properly or not, so that is called as a testing. So set of programs, a set of instructions, right? As a customer, as a end user, they'll be expecting, right, the Facebook should be proper or not. Same thing like YouTube, right? Redbus, Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart, right? All these things are called as softwares or applications or web-based applications. All these things should be tested. So checking whether the right the first application is working fine, so that is called as software testing. So testing a software is called as software testing. Okay, first definition of software testing is testing the functionality of an application. What do you mean by functions of an application? For example, let me take an ISRTC application. Logging into an account, signing up, registering up, all right, and then checking the availability of a ticket, booking a ticket, canceling a ticket, printing a ticket, right, doing some transactions in the with the help of right ISRTC. So all these things are functionalities. All these functions are working properly or not, so that is called as testing, right? And right, for example, you take any applications, right? ATM, right? Yeah, Redbus, right? Common WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp, all functions in the WhatsApp should work properly. Sending a message, receiving a message, putting a status, changing the profile, right? All these functions should work properly or not. So that is called as testing. And next standard definition of a testing is, right, finding errors, checking whether any errors in the software or not. So that is called as testing. There should not be any errors, right? That is the main standard thing, right? That is standard expectation in a software test. Next, checking the expected result and actual result, right? My expectation is, right, if I write it, it should write. Actually, it's wrote or not wrote. That is called as an actual. If expected and actual result both are same, then it's pass. If it is not same, you call it as a fail. So that is called checking expected result and actual result, right? And next one is, right, checking whether it's meeting the customer requirements or not. That is also one of the standard definition. All right, checking whether it should meet the customer requirements. What is a requirement? It's a customer need. Suppose I'm any businessman. I need a software. What I'll do, I'll go to standard companies and I'll tell them I need a software. What's the first question they ask? What is your requirement or what is your need? I'll tell I want a web-based application. It should be in the Java platform. It should run on a cloud, right? I should be very secure. It should be very fast. It should be reliable. It should be user friendly, right? You should have a payroll system. You should have a CRM system, all right? So I'll tell all my needs of that application, checking whether all the needs are satisfied or not. So that is called as testing. So all these things are called as definitions on testing. In simple terms, testing a software is called as a testing. What is software? Practically real time. All we see: Windows Office, MS Office, right? Paint, right? Outlook, everything. Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. All these things are called as softwares. Testing all the functionalities in the software is called as software testing. Hope this will you learn something. Next one is what a tester does. What is the purpose of a tester? To test an application, checking whether it meets the customer requirement. Right? He does end to end. He does a manual work. He does an automation work. He does API testing. He does security testing. He does reliability testing. He does an end to end application, and the overall quality of the project is correct or not. That is the main task of a tester, checking whether there is no defect, it is free from defect or not. That is the main purpose or a goal of a software tester. Okay. Next one is why we go for a testing. See, without a testing, what happens if I enter an ATM and put a wrong pin? It's accepting. See how it's a big blunder, right? I'm just withdrawing 5,000, but it's withdrawing only 3,000 or 8,000. It is a big problem, right? So testing is very, very important. An amount has been deducted, but it's not reflecting in the balance. So what is a big problem we have, right? ATM machine not working, different languages not working. So in any software should be tested, not even a software, table, bench, laptop, mobile, right? A bottle, an AC, a fan, right? A vehicle, car, two-wheeler. All these things should be tested. So testing plays a very, very important role everywhere. So all these things are called as introduction of software testing. Hope this video is useful to you. Continue to follow this series, I think, so that you get benefited. Thank you.